some hands.
For last how many days or how many months it has been troubling?
This is our last 2 years he was there.
Last 2 years.
Is this the only one you have sighted or there are more?
No, but last time when I went with the car right on top, when I put a headlight on it, I saw almost 4 eyes. I mean, it's not the same one. There were 2 of them. 2 days back, I saw him crossing my car at 11:30 in the night.
Where?
It's in my property.
Okay.
Okay, we got a complaint from Benny Mackenzie, resident of Chandur. That's on 15/7/15. Okay, then our Julio is there. We informed the Julio. Then he's a rescuer. Then he laid a trap on the same day, that is 15/7 on 15. Then next day in the morning, we got information that leopard has been trapped. And on 16/7/15, the leopard has been trapped, which was informed by same complainant. Then after identification, it was confirmed that it is a sub-adult leopard and it's a female. Okay, now it is in the forest premises.